Hey y'all, it's G and welcome to this video. Today we're going to take a look and do a quick unboxing of the February Stickii Club pack. So if you don't know, Stickii Club is a sticker subscription service and you subscribe and it's $10 a month, and each month you will get a packet of stickers. So let's take a look and see what we've got for February. The Stickii Club last month changed their packaging, so now instead of coming in a plastic wrap, this is just a total paper envelope. I really like the look of it, and it somehow feels a little bit more secure than their previous packaging. Ooh, look at that. Stickii Club upgraded their whole experience, and now instead of just a sheet of stickers, they ship now with these really cool plastic binder sleeves that store all of your stickers. And I think this is genius because I had so many stickers from them, I didn't know where to put them, and now every month each sticker has a home. So this front part is divided into 3 sections. There's a little half pocket here, and then this section up top has a pocket here and a pocket here. And I like this, that you can put stuff in here and it just feels a little bit more secure because there's just a little flap here. This is supposed to be for an A5 binder, so it's your typical 3-hole here and 3-hole there. And on the back, this whole side is a big sleeve that holds up a lot of stickers. And one of the really cool things is this sticker here is the label for the sleeve. So you can put this in the corner and you know thematically what this sleeve is. It also comes with this ring that you can put in here, and then when you have more than one, you can bind them together. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this was the packet that got mailed out last month. This is Lucky Charms, and it was all about good luck stickers. And it also came with a ring. So now, even if I don't have a binder, I can stick these two together and close this up. And I have a little sticker book. There's lots of room to expand. I just think this is a brilliant idea, and it solves a really annoying problem of where to store your stickers, but it does it in a completely organized, functional way. So big thumbs up for the stickers coming in these sleeves. So let's take a quick peek to see what these stickers are. I subscribe to the retro pack, and so like I said, this is wishing for spring, so I'm imagining these are all really fresh, floral, lots of animal kinds of stickers. So here's just a nice sheet of really pretty florals. They all say dream on them. There's some really cute die cuts with birds, flowers, balloons. It'd be really nice to store the die cuts in here so you could see them. Then that flap will help them not to fall out if you turned it. Put it in like that. Oh, that works out nicely. I put that there. I can see what's inside this packet. Maybe I can flip it this way. Oh, there's some gorgeous florals here. Those are beautiful. Oh, these are really cute and sweet. This is a great size for the Jibun. Some really bright florals here. Some more birds. This does look very retro floral. Bouquets, baskets, and vases. These are really whimsical. I like this a lot. I like this kind of look a lot. So nice and whimsical and cute and sweet. And then this is a sweet little postcard. That'd be nice for like on a dashboard for your divider. Let's see if I can store all this back up in here. So there you have it, the Stickii Club subscription packet retro for February 2018. Like I said, I'm really loving the sleeve that it now ships in. I think this is a great deal. So if you like stickers and you want to have a variety of stickers and be surprised with what you get, just kind of have some fun in your mailbox, this is a great thing to get. Thanks so much for watching.